Hi motoristas! Welcome back to the continuation of our epic ride to Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, and Aurora. If you missed the previous episodes, you may find the links in the description below. Last time we took a wrong turn and ended up off-roading for more than 10 kilometers. A few of us even slipped, but we're thankful that nobody was seriously injured. But that was my favorite wrong turns of all time. Our destination, Minalungaw National Park, made it all worthwhile. Just look at that. We spent the night in San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija, and prepared for the next day's trip to Aurora. If it's your first time here, my name is JT, and I have accepted a personal challenge of touring the 81 provinces of the Philippines on 2 wheels within 3 years. I track my progress by putting markers on my printed map. Make sure to check out my adventures on the video section of the channel. We're now getting ready for a long ride to Dingalan, Baler and Dipaculao in Aurora Province. Merong sumunod na isang lady rider sa amin kagabi to join us today. Si Lady Raider Rider na misis ni Misfit Rider Manila. Before we left, group pic muna. And of course, we should pray before leaving. May naiwan pang kapote si Nabuhay Miles. Buti at nakita ni ate. May halong kilig habang inaabot. Here's our trip for today. From San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija, we'll head to Dingalan Marker for some photo ops and drone shots. We were supposed to check out Dingalan View Deck as well, but because of the weather and time constraints, we decided to skip it. Afterwards, we'll go straight to Baler and hopefully Dinadjawan for some beach. Time to take off. The temporary fix on my action cam attachment is not working anymore kaya nakayuko ang camera. I need a more solid solution kaya I stayed for a while to install the removable strap. This area of Fort Magsaysay has a nice view as well. Marami ding bikers dito. As you know, I like these kinds of road kaya nakangiti na naman ako while cruising by myself. I caught up with some of them shortly. The rest waited for me at the turn. Stopping over at this long bridge with a picturesque view of the mountains to take photos. The road going to Dingalan is a breather. Kapag galing ka sa dinaanan namin last time going to Minalungaw, you will really appreciate this long stretch of smooth cemented roads. The background is just spectacular. And just when we thought we're done getting wet, here comes the rain. Gas up muna. Nagkataon na dito kami tumigil sa may police vehicle. Naalerto ako ng konti nang may lumapit sa aming sundalo. Akala ko nabastusan dahil humarang kami sa kanila. Yun pala may iniradyo sa kanila na isang rider group para magpa-escort. Gusto ko sanang umuo, kaya lang siya yung mukhang hindi magandang biruin. Mukhang maraming dalang bala, baka sa akin pa ubusin. Alam niyo ba na ang Aurora Province was part of the Quezon Province before 1979? Yup, and it was named after Aurora Aragon, the wife of President Manuel Quezon. The province covers a portion of the Sierra Madre mountain range, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, matatarik ang kalsada. And only 14% of the total area of the province is flat. Ibig sabihin, 86% ng natitirang lugar kapag ibaba mo ang bola, siguradong gugulong ito. O di ba? Walang kwenta lang yung aplikasyon ko. And here's the I Love Dingalan marker. Nagkaroon ng konting technical issue sa phone ko kaya konting drone shots lang ang nagawa ko. Dahil mahaba pa ang biyahe, umalis na din kami. There were several curves na pababa na napansin kong madulas. There were times na mag-overshoot ako ng konti. But there's this particular curve na sobrang dulas. Kahit mabagal ako, nag-slide ang likurang gulong ko. Nadulas din pala yung gulong ng kasunod ko. And before we even get to warn the others, may kasama kaming nag-slide ang motor. Bumusina ulit ang kasama namin kaya I turned around and went back. Good thing mabagal lang ako. Dito ko na nakita ang accident scene. And it was Lady Raider Rider. I was really praying na wala siyang major injury. We weren't incoming vehicles. Good thing she was wearing protective gears and impact was reduced. Ganun pa man, masakit ang shoulders niya kaya she rested first and checked. According to the residents of the nearby houses, this is an accident-prone area. A few times, they will just hear a loud bang and suddenly find a motorcycle or even cars crashing near their garage. As a precaution, inilipat na din muna namin ang motor at baka may biglang truck na mag-banking at tumulas pa papunta sa amin. Sabi ko, dapat gawa ng solusyon ng kalsada dahil baka isang araw, magulat na lang sila at may 10-wheeler truck na sa banyo nila. Meanwhile, nagbayanihan ng mga motoristas to get the motorcycle ready to use. Remember our surgeon from the first episode? Hindi pala surgeon ng tao, kundi motor. Kaya naman daw niya mag-drive, so we are going to find a repair shop to have it checked and hopefully fixed. For now, reduce speed muna tayo. There are two ways to get to Baler. First one is around the mountains via Pantabangan, which is longer but safer, and the second one through the mountains via Bungabon. Has rough roads and possible landslides. Took the first one to play safe. Maganda pa din ang view pero maraming matatarik na pataas at pababa, so extra care should be taken. After several minutes, the others caught up and decided to have a break as well. A motorista called a few times and was already waiting for us in Baler. He ordered some shirts and wanted to see us in person. Just a few more kilometers and we'll reach Baler. Mayroong weirdo na kalsada dito. It has enough room for 2 vehicles pero sinikipan nila at isa lang ang kasya. Tingin ko Great Wall of China ang peg nila dito. And here we are. This area is near the Baler Museum. Habang hinahanap namin ang parking area, nakaabang na pala ang motorista at nag-guide sa amin papunta doon. Because it's already mid-afternoon, we were concerned na baka hindi namin maabutan ng maliwanag ang Dinadjawan or Dipaculao Beach and considered na dumiretso na without having lunch. Pero dahil sumasakit na ang ulo namin, we decided to eat first. There's this place here named Gerry Shan's, an eat-all-you-can resto for only 185 pesos per head, na ngayon pala ay 200 na. Dahil malapit lang siya sa area and gusto naming lumamon, we had late lunch there. Nagpark kami doon sa mismong malapit sa may nakalagay na Baler, kung marami nagpapapicture. And nandito siya, katabi nitong Yoli's, Ihaw-Ihaw, and Smart Padala. Ngayon, para madali nyo mahanap, ito siya, oh, buffet 200 pesos lang, eat all you can na. Para madali nyo mahanap, ito ang Mercury Drug. Tatawid lang kayo saglit, tapos nandito na siya sa loob. Okay, let's get in. So we're here sa Baler already. And meron tayong motorista na minute. Bernard, kumusta?
Okay lang mo sir, okay.
Taga saan ka?
Bataan.
Bataan. So pabataan pero dito siya nag-work ngayon. Okay.
STM sir, STM.
Sa?
STM, Small Town Lottery.
Okay, nice meeting you. Thank you, ingat, ingat.
Kabataan dyan.
Okay. Ayan, so ito siya. So marami rin siyang table, malaki ang capacity. Ngayon yung mga motorista, so kumakain na sila. Na tayo. This is 200 pesos lang. And eat all you can. So tingnan natin ang menu nila. Wow, mga sinigang, of course. Ayan, ito yung mga food nila. Sisig. Masarap, masarap. Okay na. Ayos. Good job. Mamaya daw dito ulit kami. Na-discover namin kung gaano kalakas lumamon ang bunso namin na si Madel. Yap, hindi kain, lamon. Sa kanya pa lang, bawing-bawi na namin lahat ng binayad namin. We're now filled up and ready to go. Still more than 50 kilometers, so no time wasted. Hataw kung safe umataw, so we can take some drone shots. Abangan sa next episode. See you all on Saturday for the quickie ride in Cavite and have some Batangas Lomi, kaya make sure to check out our Facebook page and Instagram. Ciao!